I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from your Facebook close friends list. Adding someone to your Facebook close friends list means that you'll see all of their posts, and while you may be good friends with someone in real life, they may post on Facebook so much that it feels like they take over your feed, or you may not care for the content they post. No matter the reason, Facebook makes it easy to remove someone from your close friends list on the platform. The only catch is that you can't remove someone from your Facebook close friends list in the Facebook mobile app, and you have to remove them through the Facebook website. Now let's walk through the steps to remove someone from your Facebook close friends list. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.facebook.com, and then log in to your Facebook account if prompted. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Again, you can only view your full list of close friends on Facebook through the Facebook website and not through the Facebook mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Step 2. Find your list of Facebook shortcuts in the menu on the left side of the screen and then click See All in this list. You'll land on a menu screen. Step 3. Click Friends in this menu. Your Facebook Friends menu opens. Step 4. Click Custom List. The Custom List menu is shown. Step 5. Click Close Friends. Your Facebook Close Friends list is displayed. Step 6. Find the person you want to remove from your Facebook Close Friends list, and then click the X in the box associated with that person. That individual will be removed from your Facebook Close Friends list immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.